Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to very urgent Pan India hiring is also announced. Indigo airport operation online drive is there. It's a Pan India 2.0. Zoho very urgent hiring. Associate software engineer AI and Python hiring for 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 batch. Okay, apply for all opportunities on our channel. Like and share the video. Don't miss any hiring. Let's start. It's a very urgent hiring because the last date is today 4 p.m. and the timing is 15:24. So must apply for opportunity ASAP. Research development intern Kolkata. It's a not like it's a Kerala based location. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 batches eligible. This is the internship role. Everything is mentioned. So if you are eligible you can apply and must don't miss. Indigo announced now hiring updated on 26 December. It's one of the Pan India 2.0 airport operation online drive. Registration and screening is there. Second is assessment, mathematical, speech plus written. In person interviews are there. Everything is mentioned. Okay, what is the role? Job officer security, requirement for all role. Graduation is mandatory. So it's a Pan India opportunity. 31st December is the last date. Must apply for opportunity ASAP. MSCI opportunity associate software engineer AI and Python. Everything is mentioned. They mention key responsibility. This is the skills experience what we offer you. They did not even mention about batch. So if you are from previous batches, graduates, you can try to apply for opportunity. Last is Adani is hiring for BCom MCom 25 batch. Basic knowledge of accounting, finance, Excel, good communication skills, willingness to learn and adapt. Scan the QR code in the post to apply. Everything is mentioned. Must apply for opportunity. All hiring videos are very good for all of you. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.